This is how to lock the vertical cursor on TradingView. Now let me show you why someone would use this feature. So in May of 24, NVIDIA had a breakout. This is the weekly time frame. Maybe I want to go and analyze the chart and the price action in this breakout weekly candle in lower time frame. And I do lock vertical cursor line by time. So you see the y-axis of my crosshair is locked on that candle. Even if I move my mouse and my cursor around, it's stuck there. Okay, so we have reference of that weekly candle. And I lower time frame to the daily. Where am I now? It's recent price data. If I just zoom out and scroll back, here it is. The vertical cursor is locked on the start of that week. And you see here I had a resistance level. There was a small formation here. I had a level as well that NVIDIA broke. It gapped up basically after earnings. You see that little lock there. It just shows that the vertical cursor is locked on that day. And we can use this to analyze, go to even lower time frames. Let's zoom out further. This is a 4-hourly. And here it is. Removing this, you just right click again, you uncheck, and now the crosshair moves freely. So this is how you can lock the vertical cursor on TradingView.